Design has always been my passion. But when I got promoted to a role that requires handling a team of UI UX designers, I was taken aback. It was then I realized I needed to upskill myself if I had to supervise my team in the right direction. I chose to pursue advanced certification in UI UX design from IIT Bangalore, powered by Simplilearn. Now I am more confident. I can handle my team effectively and can deliver ideas to the management. Hi, my name is Aadhya Agrawal. I am a design and creative lead, and this is my journey. I am from a small town, Durg, which is based out in Chhattisgarh. So I completed my engineering in information technology in 2013. Subsequently, I pursued MTech in computer technology, concluding in 2016. Post this, I moved from Chhattisgarh to Pune and started my career then on. The first company I joined was P&D Edu Training Private Limited as a content developer and researcher. I again switched and joined my present company. Looking at my expertise in this field, my company promoted me to design and creative lead. And then I started handling a team of UI UX designers. I was assigned a huge responsibility of leading the team and to supervise them in the right direction. An advanced UI UX designing course seemed to be the only solution to these problems. I decided to upskill myself with the tools used for designing. I wanted to be updated and lead my team responsibly. So I started browsing online about the UI UX design certification. Then I found that IIT Bangalore is offering this advanced certification in UI UX design powered by Simplilearn. When I proposed this idea to my manager, he agreed and asked me to pursue the course. My learning experience on UI UX design with Simplilearn was simply great. To be honest, initially when we started the session, I found it too complicated. I was also skeptical about the online classes, but soon after completing 1 month, I found the trainer to be very good. He truly had practical knowledge and expertise in this field. The concepts he explained were illustrated with real life examples, real life problems, and how to solve them. For instance, he gave a clear understanding of what kind of problems companies face and how UX designers can solve them. The trainer was very supportive and quick to solve any of the doubts in the sessions. He spent a lot of time with us explaining how to use Figma in our mobile phones, websites, etc. After the certification course, with the skills I learned, I was able to redesign my company's website, which is helping us to get more traffic and leads at the same time. For the website, I started working on its design and had a very detailed discussion with the manager, content writer, developers, and digital marketing analyst. I had the idea that a well-designed website can enhance the user experience. I understood that I have to come up with a simple and clear interface that can help users navigate through the app and they can easily understand the functionality of the platform. Unlike before, now I have a particular reasoning behind my task. I have developed more logical thinking. I can say I have learned how and what exactly user interface is, why exactly user experience matters. I got married in 2019 and I have a kid. She is 3.5 years old. As a married woman and mother, juggling work and personal life was tough. Working 5 days a week and dedicating weekends to a course posed the biggest challenge, leaving me with limited time for my family. I believe in giving 100% on any task, and I feel that in life, when you have the sheer determination to achieve something, nothing can hamper your growth.